up, guys? Today I see this waterfall over here on the side of the road, and that's one nice thing about Pennsylvania is the waterfalls are just right on the roadside. You can just like pull right over on the side of the road here, and I'm going to go over there and I'm going to show you how to take a photo of a waterfall to get that nice silky feel on it. I'll use this camera, my cell phone also, so I think this one only shoots at 30 frames per second, and what I'm shooting at right now is 24 frames per second, so it might be a little jittery, but so one of the best things that I love about Northeast Pennsylvania is just all of the waterfalls. And you could just be driving anywhere. There's a waterfall on the side. I'll show you what I mean. Just take a look at this. Just right there. We're gonna come down here, do a quick photo, because I'm on my way home. I gotta be home at a certain time, so I only got a couple minutes. But sometimes when you see something like this, I can't resist. I go for it. Talking to you on my cell phone now. So getting the right composition is a big deal because just what looks right. And I tried a bunch of different spots, a little bit higher, a little lower, but I came up with this because I wanted this right here. I needed this in the shot. I want this and this in the shot. So here's what I got before it shuts off. You'll see this is what's in my shot right now. There it went. Make sure it's on M for manual. Make sure that your lens is on manual. Turn off your stabilizer because we're on a tripod. You want to make sure that you got is a shutter release. I got my polarizer. I'm going to put my polarizer on it. So I'm going to use my live view. There we go. Get a nice saturation of color. Let me show you this. All right. So here's what we're going to do. I've got you guys here, right? So I've got a nice saturation of color. And I'm going to turn this thing off. I'm going to set, this is my ISO. I'm going to set my ISO all the way down to 50. All right, so we got that. Now, my f-stop, I'm going to bring my f-stop all the way up. Now, I'm going to watch my light meter right here. It's going to tell me when I'm on perfect light. My light meter is going to go here. This is telling me 30 seconds at f22. I'm going to bring it down to about 15, and then I'm going to set my f-stop to compensate for it. I'm actually going to go up 1. And so now we're going to use our trusty little hand thing here, and we're going to see what we get. So I'm going to press this. There it goes. It's taking the shot. It's a 15-second shutter. There it is. That is a beautiful shot. Now see that little white, the little blinking white right there? That blinking white is telling me that that white is actually overexposed correctly. So I'm going to take another exposure just a little bit darker to compensate for that white. So let's do that. So we're going to change that to f18. All right, guys. That is a waterfall. All right, guys, this session is over. I hope that you got something good out of this. And don't forget to hit the little bell icon and make sure that you get notified when I put out some more videos, because I've got more tutorials for you. And get out there, get your camera, go shoot, and you see a waterfall on the side of the road, just stop, dude. You got to get it because it's a great shot. Like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and I'll be talking to you. I'll see you on the next time. And be good or be good at it. See ya.